Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for you at top. What is up, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Me, I'm not, man. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not having a good day at all. As you guys know, I said it in my previous videos, if you do watch any of my videos. But if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because I drop videos almost every day, man, and there's always some great content coming your way. But I was out in Cleveland and I was out there for like a week, bro. So you know, whenever you're traveling, if you don't want to pay like extra OD for luggage, you have to bring a sneaker rotation, and you probably gonna wear those shoes more than once. So honestly, in a realistic standpoint, I probably don't really repeat a lot of my sneakers like that, just because I own so many. My rotation is easy to keep them going, so I don't really mess up my shoes a lot. But in this particular situation, I was out of town for 7 days, and when I was out of town for like 7 days, I only brought like 3 sneakers with me. So of course, out of those 3 sneakers, one of them gonna get beat. Okay, like one of them gonna get beat. You gonna wear one more than the other. And we had like this family reunion, this family gathering, and I was just beside myself, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Now, these are beat. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other one. This is beat too. Now, I know y'all thinking like, what in the world did you do to get them that beat up? Because everything from even the side is, look how scraped up the sides are, bro. You see that? Dust all in it, like it's really bad. It's really bad. Look, oh my goodness. You see the creasing all in them. It's like dirt all in them. I say I did everything from playing football, chasing my niece and nephews, running around with my cousins, like water fight. I did just about everything in this shoe. Y'all know how it is, bro, when the family reunions come out and everybody over. You see cousins and aunties you ain't seen in a long time. It was just a lot going on, okay? And I completely destroyed these. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to see, can I get these back A1? As you guys know, I preach the Rejuvenator products all the time, and I really have been using Rejuvenator for a while now, and I know that this is probably a job that Rejuvenator can fix. I'm gonna just try to get these back right, and if you guys are having any problems in your sneaker collection, whether you have shoes that's beat up like mine, or if you want to know how to prevent your shoes from being dirty, this video should definitely help anybody out there who needs a great sneaker clean or who is looking for a great sneaker cleaner, because Rejuvenator is the best on the market. So in this video, I will be using Rejuvenator Signature Cleaning Kit, guys. This is what I will be using to clean off my Air Jordan Bred 4s. Now the Signature Cleaning Kit pretty much comes with everything you need for your basic sneaker cleaning. I'm gonna open this up and we can look at it together. The things that we gonna need right off the back, I know, because we got a heavy duty job. We are going to need, first of all, okay, we need the shoe insoles, because as y'all can see, the creases of this shoe, and a lot of that had to do with like the way it was packed in my bag. That didn't help either. You might just need all 3 of the brush sets that come in here. So we got the which one is this one? This is the soft brush. We got the medium brush and the stiff. Of course, each brush is used for a different material. You don't want to use the same brush on all material because some is more delicate than others. And of course, we have here the sneaker cleaning solution, which we're gonna be using. Last but not least, we're gonna use this cleaning mat too, because whenever I clean shoes, it just gets super dirty. And these towels are really like some of the best towels, like that microfiber type material, and it soaks up a lot of water and stuff. So I'm gonna be using that. And last but not least, I need something to pour the solution into. So we're gonna be using one of the Rejuvenator collapsible bowls. Now, if you guys don't have any of these products and you do have to clean the sneaker, you can check out the link down below. It'll take you directly over to Rejuvenator, and y'all can pick out this stuff yourself. Now, if you use that link, it does help me out in the long run as well. So if you do want to buy anything from Rejuvenator, after you make that purchase, screenshot it to me on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll shout you out just for looking out for me, because like I said, it does help. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be using today, man. We got the collapsible bowl, the cleaner, we got 3 different brushes, and of course we got the mat, and last but not least, we have the sneaker insoles. So we about to clean these. I'm gonna keep one dirty and I'm gonna keep the other one clean. Well, I'm gonna get the other one clean so y'all can see the difference. But hopefully we bring my Bred 4s back, because this is actually one of my favorite shoes. I'm about to set up and get ready. I'll see y'all back in a second. All right, guys, so we back, and I'm gonna probably just do it like a time lapse on this so it don't take like too long. I know y'all want to see the finished product, so I'm not gonna waste too much of your time. What I just did was I basically just put some water in the collapsible bowl, and now I'm just gonna squeeze some of this Rejuvenator solution in here. I don't know if it got the top on it. Yes, it does. Let me take this off real quick. So a few squeezes of this will be good. You don't want to put too much in there. Like I said, my shoes are kind of dirty, so I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Next up, I'm gonna just take these laces out of my 4s, because I want to make sure I get a deep clean. I want to even clean the tongue, so I'm gonna just take these laces all the way out the shoe, which I really don't like to do, bro, because quiet is kept. It's like a small secret. I hate lacing shoes, bro. Like, I really do.
Perfect.
All right, now we got the laces out the shoe. We got the breadboard by itself. Now I'm gonna just grab one of these adjustable shoe trees, and whatever size you wear, that's what you adjust it to. I know me, I wear 12, so I'm gonna have to probably mosey on down to probably like the 3rd hole. Yep, that's actually pretty perfect. So as y'all can see, it already like straightened out and narrowed that crease that was in there, which is pretty good, especially when you start brushing. You want to be able to apply pressure to the toe box without it creasing in and causing any more damage. So we all good, man. So now, hey, look, I got my shoe tree in, I got my cleaning solution inside the collapsible bowl, I got my brushes here, and I'm just about to go to work on these. Oh man, I did not mean to hit the camera. All right, guys, I think I pretty much got most of the upper. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this microfiber towel real quick and then wipe off the shoe just to see the progress that we did. But instantly, like soon as I started cleaning the shoe, I always know that like with rejuvenated products, it works. So I wasn't really focused on if it would work or not, but I did wonder how many like takes it would get to get back A1. And this is just like the first wash we did, and it's pretty much good already. A small tip I do want to tell y'all is when I do like to brush, I like to go like those small little circles. I believe it works better that way. It's just like a small little tip I want to tell y'all. So if y'all cleaning y'all shoes and y'all doing a deep cleaning on your uppers, do the small brush circles like this. It really does help. So after only the first wipe through, y'all see, look, bro, these are, hold on, let me see if this is focus. Focus, focus, boom. They really already back brand new, right? It was a lot of dirt, it was a lot of mud, it was a lot of gunk on here, and they brand new. And remember, I showed y'all the side panel of my Jordan 4 shoe that was scratched. I got the scratches off. It got the top back A1, right? Y'all see that? I'm gonna compare it to this Air Jordan 4, which is still dusty and dirty. You see that? You see all that dirt, dust on the toe box? See the scuffs right here on the eyelid? You see the scuffs on the eyelid? Actually, it's even a bigger scuff on this eyelid. See the scuffs on the eyelid like that? All the dirt that's locked up in all the nubuck and suede on the upper. Now, if you check out the clean one, it's 100% gone. 100% gone. All of that is gone, and that was just like with one smooth wash. Now I still wanted to clean the outer sole. As y'all can see, the outer sole is still pretty dirty. So that's gonna be my next step. Can you please focus? So y'all see the outer sole is pretty dirty. So that's my next step, is just getting these outer soles back A1. And then we can probably work on the laces. I'll lace them back up and show y'all the finished product. Let's get back into it. I'm gonna get one of the harder brush, one of the more tougher brushes to knock out this outer sole, just to make sure that the cleaning goes as planned. Let's get into it, man. Let's see what we can do with these. Alright, let me wipe these off and see how they look. When I did the outer sole, I tried to do the same thing though. I tried to do like the same small brush strokes, and depending on your shoe and how dirty it is, that depends on how much elbow you gotta put into it. Some shoes might be dirtier than others, bruh. So you might have to put a little bit more elbow grease into that shoe to make it come out a little bit better. But I mean, these were bad. It wasn't like throwaway bad. So I just had to put a little bit of elbow grease into it, and yeah. I like the results. I'm not gonna hold you. So as y'all can see, this is the new outer sole of the Air Jordan 4, which is way better than it was previously. And like I said, that's with one wash. Once again, we can compare it to this dirty outer sole that was once my outer sole. All the mud, the gunk, very, very, very clogged with just a bunch of stuff. And now, swing through, grab the clean one, and it's the exact opposite. So I mean, the shoe's already back A1. What I'm gonna do lastly is just the laces, and I kind of do my laces a lot different than everybody else. So remember, we took the laces out earlier in the video. What I like to do, I like to just drop them in a collapsible bowl. You can, like, if your shoes was super dirty, then I would just say, you know, pour out the water that's old and dirty and get you some new water and pour some more rejuvenated solution in there. But since mine actually didn't turn the bowl dirty at all, I can just use the same bowl and put my laces in here, kind of get them wet a little bit, make sure that they get soaked up in this. And as you're doing that, I just like to do it old school, bro. Just clean them together like this. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's just you stringing them out like this, or you actually rubbing them together. Be careful when you do rub them together. You don't want them to get like very like hairy. You don't want like the material to start messing up and stuff like that. But that's my way of cleaning my laces. If you guys do another way, then comment down below. But I'm pretty much old school with mine. I was taught this when I was like 5th, 7th grade. All right, let's do it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, now I mean, that's pretty much it. Now what I do lastly is I just take them to like a sink or like the bathroom, rinse it out with water so we kind of get all the soap and all of the actual solution out of the shoe laces, and then you'll be straight to go. So I'll be back in a second. I'm just about to go run this over with some regular warm water, get the soap and all of the solution out of the laces so I can lace them back in the Jordan. So see y'all in a second. All right, we back. Got the laces right here. They all ready to go. Like I said, they are a little bit still wet. You can leave them to dry, you can put them in wet. It really doesn't matter to me. Mine are a little wet, so I'm about to lace these fours back up, show y'all the finished product, and then I'm gonna just show y'all like side by side with a better overall review on actually how good the Rejuvenator solution is and how well it affected my sneakers. So let's lace these boys back up and get back into it. And guys, here we have it, the finished product, your Air Jordan 4 Bread, man. This is, like I said, easily one of my favorite sneakers of all time. Huge shout out to Rejuvenator from getting these joints back right. Everything from the uppers to the midsole to the outer sole, even to the laces. This shoe is back brand new. It's back brand spanking, and I can finally go back to peacefully rocking these without them looking like this. So what I'm gonna do right now is throw these side by side, give y'all some B-roll, and just show y'all the differences between the two sneakers. And then after that, of course, I have to clean the opposite one so they can both look good. Make sure you guys comment down below your thoughts and opinions of this video. Let me know if you guys are interested in buying any Rejuvenator products or how y'all think the video came out. Like I said, once again, guys, the link to Rejuvenator is linked directly below the video, so head over there. Feel free to buy anything over there that you think will help you get your chance to better your sneakers, clean your shoes, or prevent them from even being dirty. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I could not leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.